Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Troll Media signing in. So, guys, what am I doing right now? I got my bathroom sitting right there. If you can tell, that's my bathroom. I moved it from upstairs down to here. Uh, Guys, I am going to make something called a lightning rod. I don't know if you've ever seen these. They're usually on side by side ATVs, golf carts. I'm gonna probably put it on my golf cart. It's something pretty cool. I may put it on my pickup truck or on my semi truck. I don't know. But basically, it is a CB antenna, just like this one right here. So, booyah! You got this big old CB antenna right here, 4 foot long. Some are longer than others. Yep. So you take that right there, and let me get this over here. Then you take LED lighting, like this right here. So you take these LED strip lights, and you wrap it around the CB antenna. All right, and then you take shrink tubing, and you slide shrink tubing, clear shrink tubing, over the antenna, and you shrink it down, you put the cap back on, and boom, there you go. You got yourself a lightning rod. Now, I got to order the 12-volt supply, not the plug into the wall supply. I'm trying this one here. I got some older stuff right there, and I think I ordered shrink tubing that is too big. I ordered 1 inch. I should have only ordered maybe ½ inch. This is going to be too big, I believe. Even after I wrap that the light around it, I believe it's still going to be a little bit too big, or the shrink tubing is going to be too big. But no big deal. I can order new shrink tubing. That one there, fuck it, who cares? I can use that for another project. But alrighty, guys. I'm gonna get this going. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, guys. So I'm wrapping it around. I think I'm gonna be able to wrap it a little bit tighter than this. I just got that rubber band down there, just holding on to it for now. But I do believe I'm gonna be able to wrap it a little bit tighter, which is good because that'll mean I got more LED lights visible. Blah 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 blah. It'll be way cooler. Isn't that right, Moose? Alrighty, guys. So there you have it. Would you look at that? That's pretty badass. So, since this is just kind of like a trial run, I realized I got more than enough of this stuff here to wrap it really tight. So, I need to get it to where I have that pattern up there. So that's basically wrapping it super tight. But I mean, all in all, it looks pretty fucking cool, I think. I picked up that guy there. It came with the coax cable. I'm not going to really use that coax cable because I'm not really using it as a CB antenna anyway. But it came with the mount, so I can use that mount. That was, what, $29 for the mount, the antenna, the RGB lighting stuff was, what was that? I think $15 with the box. I just got to order the 12-volt supply. And, yeah. So I'm going to get an extension wire for this so I can put that box somewhere else. So it's not in the elements, not like sitting outside. So, but yeah, guys, look at this. That is freaking cool. That'll look really fucking sharp at night. That's for fucking sure. But, hell yeah, guys. I like it. This come out super fucking cool. Super cool. So, I may, the one problem with this stuff is a lot of these things were cracking right there. You can see that little crack. So, I don't know if the waterproof stuff is really the answer. I could probably just get away with using just the non-waterproof because it will be sealed inside shrink tubing. And I really think the shrink tubing is just way too big. I don't think this stuff here is gonna shrink down to the right size. So I may end up ordering 3/4 inch instead of 1 inch. So yeah, that's not gonna shrink down any bit. So alrighty guys, this is gonna be a video that's you know, an ongoing trial and error thing to get them wrapped up nice, where I get a nice, you know, circular thingy going, blah blah blah. So it's not just one straight line, because you know, when you roll that way you don't really see it too good, but at least that way you see them all. But alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this little lightning rod fucking video. And this is something that, you know, Elvis won't be doing, because Elvis is too fucking lazy to do cool stuff other than just eat food. Alrighty, Troll Media signing out.